We're in the amphitheater in Waverly, New York. So we're on a week-long camping trip, and right now we're in between the first leg and the second leg. First place we went to was Ives Campground in Tioga, Pennsylvania, which is like north central PA. And we met with other Sunline enthusiasts that have or had Sunline campers, and that was pretty neat because we've never met or camped with anybody else with Sunline campers. So we enjoyed that time. We really didn't film too much, but there's a couple snippets. Throw them in.
So what are you doing over there?
Making a margarita.
Oh, see how much he's gonna put in there.
You want ice?
Do we have ice?
In the cooler.
No, that's alright. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jeanette made a homemade sheath with packing tape and a paper towel roll.
Resourceful. That's what we are. Yeah, we stopped for lunch and we had a pretty nice, healthy-sized lunch, so we're not really hungry for dinner, so we're just having kind of like a charcuterie board, camping style.
Exactly.
Weekend. Let's check out the nice plate of food you made. Wow, does that look good? That's a gourmet right there.
Come, let's go eat. The temperature in the freezer is 3 degrees Fahrenheit and 35 degrees in the fridge.
And he asked me if I thought our ice trays are frozen. We have ice cubes. Those look like pretty solid ice cubes to me.
And we got a sack of limes and the lemons right there. Not nice. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hold on. Oh, I didn't know you were filming.
I want to know what you're doing.
I am hanging up the shower curtain in the wet bath, which is supposed to just be like an extra, I don't know what you would call it, kind of like an extra precaution so that water doesn't get out of the door. So we're figuring if we just hang a shower curtain here, you know, the water will hit this instead of going out the door.
The door has just a seal and it's painted with the boat exterior paint. But when it seals, it's on the outside of the shower, so the water will run out and get on the floor, which I'm sure we can make it work for a couple showers.
Alright. Well, because I was thinking about hanging it over here and like maybe cutting this so that it hangs nice and straight.
Do the suction cups even work?
These ones, yeah.
Oh, they are.
The bigger ones. We're living like retirees today. It's Monday, we're not at work. We're just sitting by a lake, fishing, drinking, reading, just living life. Soaking up some sunlight. It's pretty nice.
We got cold corn pops, bait on the end of the line and just hanging out. And it's a beautiful summer day, by the way. So now we're on our way from north central Pennsylvania and we're driving northeast to get to a bluegrass music festival that's near Albany, New York, Catskills Mountains area. It's called Gray Fox Bluegrass Festival. So we are on our way there now, and we are not even close to halfway there, but we have like 8 hours to go 4 hours. So we're just stopping, having fun, and right now we are in this beautiful park. Fired up the fridge on propane to keep it cool while we're parked, and we're gonna go check out this waterfall. And that's it. That's our update. That's what we got. Do you have anything to say, Jeanette?
It's a beautiful day.